Hello and welcome to my channel 2 spoons of oil. What we'll do today is that we'll make a very nice and healthy burger. Yes, you heard it right. Burgers can be healthy too. So as you can see, I have 1 cup of boiled rajma. This is red kidney beans. Okay, this is going to be my base. We'll not use any potatoes. कोई आलू की जरूरत नहीं है, खाना इसमें भी अच्छा बनेगा. Now for the dry masala, what I have is 1 karchi of besan. I have 1 teaspoon of black salt, half a tablespoon of normal white salt, which is table salt. I have crushed pudina leaves here. It's always available. If you don't have the dry ones, you can always use the fresh ones. I also have some amchur powder to make the burger very nice and tangy. Some garam masala here, which is about half a tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder, kali mirch, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now these two you can add it according to your own taste. I also have some chopped onions, sliced tomatoes, sesame seeds also called as til, 2 green chilies which I have chopped, 1 inch of ginger which has been chopped finely, and I also have about half a capsicum that I have chopped, and juice of 1 lemon. Now let's get started. Okay, so all set up. What we've done is we've mashed our rajmas. You use a spoon to mash it. It will be tasty if you make it very nice and you mash it well. It will become very nice and creamy. What I'm going to do is add salt. क्या बोलते हैं, स्वाद अनुसार. आपको कम चाहिए आप कम डालो. Then I add some rock salt, just काला नमक. My besan, very important. Red chili, स्वाद अनुसार. Now black pepper powder, काली मिर्च, ये बहुत important है, इसको जरूर डालो. In goes some garam masala, amchur powder, my favorite, pudina. And now what we'll do is we'll add half of these onions. Okay, half of these chopped onions. This was 1 onion that I chopped. Going to add half a quantity. Rest of it we'll use it while we assemble the burger. Now I'm going to add the capsicum to it, ginger, हमारी और आपकी favorite हरी मिर्च. That's it. This is 1 lemon का juice. सारा डाल दो. Now go mix, 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 mix. So this is how the mixture looks like once you've added everything and mixed well. At this stage, what you can do is you can also taste the mixture. If you think that you want some more salt, feel free to add some more salt, or maybe some more amchur if you like it more tangy. But for us, this is perfect. Now what's the next step? I'm going to roll it out and make patties out of it. Now you see I have my patties ready. I've dabbed them on the sesame seeds that I have. Why do I add sesame seeds? It has a nice crunch to it. And once I'm going to grill it or I make it on the tawa, then it gives a very nice toasty flavor. Now it's up to you. You want to grill it, you want to bake it, you want to fry it on the tawa or a shallow fry. I'm going to make it on the tawa. Once I make it on the tawa, I will only use maybe 1, maximum 2 tablespoons, and it is going to turn out nice and crunchy. So I'm going to put this on the tawa and make it nice and crunchy. Look at my beautiful patties. I've turned them once. Now you just have to apply a little bit of oil on these. They'll become nice and crispy. Look at this beautiful tikki. Look at them, nice, round, less than 2 spoons of oil. बहुत गर्म है, ध्यान से. अब इसमें बेनिफिट क्या है? राजमा आपको देगा प्रोटीन, जो ऊपर सेसमे सीड्स लगाए हैं, they are good source of calcium, so healthy और yummy भी. So let's start going ahead and assembling our burger. Okay, so now as you can see, what we have done is, it is all ready. My burgers, they were sliced into half and they were given a nice toast on the tawa. Now let's start assembling this. What I have here is a vegan dip that I had made. You can look at the description box for the recipe. It's one of the videos that I had uploaded. I am going to cover it, the entire base of the burger, with that. Okay, nicely done. I'm going to sprinkle some chopped onions. You'll ask, why chopped onions? See, usually when we go buy a burger, it's not that we'll be able to take a nice big bite. Sometimes we're not able to take the bite. The onion slice comes out, makes us look very clumsy. So when it is chopped, it's going to go right into the mouth, taste nice, be yummy, all at the same time. Then I'm going to add a slice of tomato, and then we'll add the nice yummy tikki that we prepared, my protein full fledged tikki. On the other side, I'm going to add some Szechuan sauce. This is homemade Szechuan sauce. I'm going to add a video of this. Look at my channel, subscribe. You'll see all the videos that I keep uploading for all of you. During the lockdown, let's make each other happy. Top it up with another tomato slice, some chopped onions. I'm going to add or sprinkle just a little bit of chaat masala on top to add that extra zing. Da-da-da, it's ready. Let's plate it. It's nicely assembled. And here my plate is ready. I have some Szechuan sauce, some dipping vegan sauce. If you like some more calcium, have some more sesame seeds, some tomatoes sliced on the side, and some onions. You want to make it a little less healthy, add some chips. With that, you have a very nice healthy burger right on your plate. Go ahead, feast it. In the comment section below, let me know how did you like it. Alright, then see you soon with some more recipes.